kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we will study English Reader Class 2 Chapter 12. The Ant Anthem. Learning objectives. Enjoy the present, securing the future. हम क्या जानेंगे इस चैप्टर में? यानी अपने आज को एंजॉय करना, आज में खुश रहना ताकि हमारा फ्यूचर भविष्य जो है वो सिक्योर रहे. 100 or 2, maybe 3, perhaps more. Parade all together on spring's meadow floor. They are carrying treasure yet staying in line to bring home a treat so their mother can dine. यानी कि 100, 200, 300 या फिर 300 से भी ज्यादा चींटियां क्या कर रही हैं? परेड कर रही हैं स्प्रिंग मीडो फ्लोर में. और अपने साथ क्या कैरी कर रही हैं? वो अपने साथ कैरी कर रही हैं ट्रेजर. और वो सभी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में चल रही है. और अब उस ट्रेजर को कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं? उस ट्रेजर को वो घर लेके जा रहे हैं ताकि उनकी मम्मा जो है खा सके. A little one wonders what will the queen say. Another one answers, hooray, Crumbly day. But most remain silent, too happy to talk. They are focused instead on their victory walk. तो उनमें से एक ने सोचा कि क्वीन आंट क्या सोचेगी या फिर क्या कहेगी. क्वीन आंट कौन होती है? चींटियों की रानी. तो दूसरा जवाब देता है, वो कहेंगी हुर्रे, क्रम्बी डे. और ज्यादातर उन सब में क्या है? साइलेंट हैं और अपनी विक्ट्री वॉक कर रहे हैं, यानी कि वो फोकस होके चल रहे हैं. Each step beats a rhythm of musical glee, the sound of the joy of the ants jubilee. They are marching as if to the beating of drums, and all for one trim discovering crumbs. So, वो कैसे चल रहे हैं? उनकी जो हर एक स्टेप है वो कैसे एक बीट की तरह है और वो एक रिदम क्रिएट कर रहा है. और साउंड्स ऑफ जॉय ऑफ एंड्स जुबली. और एंड्स की क्या है? जुबली है, एक तरह से एनिवर्सरी है जिसकी वजह से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. और दे आर मार्चिंग एज इट टू द बीटिंग ऑफ ड्रम्स. वो ड्रम्स को बीट करते हुए जा रहे हैं. और ये सब किस लिए हो रहा है? ये सब ट्रिम यानी उनकी जो विजय हुई है, वो जो जीते हैं उसके लिए हो रहा है. और किस में जीते हैं? डिस्कवरिंग क्रम्स. क्रम्स या डिस्कवरिंग क्रम्स मतलब उन्होंने कुछ क्रम्स जो हैं ढूंढ लिए सक्सेसफुली. फाइंड मीनिंग. परहैप्स, मेबी, meadow, a field of grass. Treasure, very valuable things. Victory, triumph. Parade, march. Exercises. A. Answer the following questions. A. Where were the ants going? The ants were going to spring's meadow floor. B. What did the little one ask? The little one wonder, what will Queen say? C. Why were ants marching? The ants were marching because they were bringing food so that their mother can eat that food. B. Find their meanings. A. Crumbly, covered in crumbs. B. Victory, win. C. Glee, delight. D. Jubilee, special anniversary of event. B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. As big as elephant. B. As brave as lion. C. As busy as a bee. D. As cunning as a fox. D. Tick the right options. A. Ants were carrying first, treasure, second, diamonds, third, food. First, treasure. B. What were the ants focused on? First, food, second, queen, third, victory. Third, victory. C. What the triumph for? First, discovering crumbs, second, discovering food, third, discovering home. First, discovering crumbs. Match the following: triumph, victory, jubilee, anniversary, marching, parading. Let's enjoy the poem. Use the color key to color the umbrella. So kids, here you can see, here is given color key and here's a picture of umbrella. So you will color the umbrella according to color key. For example, 1 red. You will find the 1 number on the umbrella and then color it in red. Like this part you will color red and 1, this part you will color in red. So like this you will color the whole umbrella following this color key. Communication writing skills. Read the following sentences and write the verb separately. First, it is raining outside. Raining. 2. The bell is ringing. Ringing. 3. The girls are sitting on the bench. Sitting. 4. They will be having lunch at 2 o'clock. Having. 5. The ducks were swimming in the pond. Swimming. 6. The teacher is teaching us maths. Teaching. 7. The train is arriving on time. Arriving. 8. Reading skills. Read the words in the box, identify and circle the words related to the appropriate house. So kids, here you can see the picture of house. This is Pakka house and this is Kacha house. And there are some words are given here. So we will circle those words which is related to Pakka house and here in Kacha house. Cement. Yes. Straw? No. Mud? No. Bricks? Yes. Leaves? No. Iron rods? Yes. Bamboo? No. Plastic sheets? Yes. Clay log? No. Now here, Kacha house. Cement? No. Straw? Yes. Mud? Yes. Leaves? Yes. Iron rods? No. Bamboo? Yes. Plastic sheets? No. Clay log? Yes. Listening and speaking skills. Put the story in order. So we will read all sentences and then put them in order. 1. The grasshopper finds aunt's house. 2. The grasshopper is singing under a tree. 3. The grasshopper says, I am sorry, now they are friends. 4. The aunt is collecting food. 5. The grasshopper asks aunt for help. It wants some food. 6. It is winter. The grasshopper hasn't got food. It is starving. So the first number is this. The aunt is collecting food. Second, the grasshopper is singing under a tree. Third, it is winter. The grasshopper hasn't got food. It is starving. Fourth, the grasshopper finds aunt's house. 5. The grasshopper asks aunt for help. It wants some food. The grasshopper says, I am sorry, now they are friends. So kids, here your chapter is completed. See you in next class.